In this video, we will learn how to sort data in Excel sheet. So let's start this my Excel sheet. I have here some employee name and department. So I'm going to sort the employee name. When I use here first filter, Shift Control L to use the filter both column. Now I am sort this employee name column. When I sort this employee name column, the department name also change. Okay. When I select here A to Z, the department name also change accordingly employee name. Okay. So I don't want to change the department name. I want to sort only employee name. So there is a different way. I can sort only one column and other column is not affected at all. So here I first select the full column. Then right click of the mouse. Then use here the filter option. Sorry, use here the sort option. Then click on the custom sort and select the continue with the current selection and click on the sort. Here you see employee name is a column name, sales value and A to Z. Now I am edit the Z to A. Okay. Here you see the department sale ID HR. It's not changed when I sort this. Only employee name Z to A sorted. Let's see. Just click on OK. See here. Employee name is a sort Z to A, but department is a not sort. So this is a way you can sort only one column in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.